In this video, I'll show you how to refund on Pandabuy. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, I'm on pandabuy.com and I'm logged into my account, so do the same thing. So log in to your account using your credentials, all right? And then this is one of the steps to make a refund process, all right? So go here at Help Center, type in refund, and you will be given a lot of information for you to do it. So let's go here in this very first step. For example, the order status is order pending. So what you can do, you can visit user center, order to cancel your orders, and your payment will be immediately refunded to your Pandabuy balance. Say for example, the order status is, it depends on the status, alright? So here, for order processing, you can visit user center, same process, order to cancel your orders. And if they haven't purchased the items, they will cancel the order and refund to your Pandabuy balance within 1 working day. But for those that has an order status of purchase, you can visit user center, order to click after sales on the corresponding order, and they will then request for refunds from the seller. All right, so Pandabuy will negotiate and mediate with the seller. Now, if the seller has not yet delivered the items, the corresponding money will be refunded to your Pandabuy account balance upon seller confirmation, which would take around 3 days. Now, if the order status is seller sent, if the seller sent uses fake tracking number and does not send out items, you can simply visit user center, order to click after sales on the corresponding order, and then Pandabuy will request refunds for the seller, right? Once again, the corresponding money will be refunded to your Pandabuy account balance after seller confirmation. But this time, though, it'll take like 7 days. 5 days after the order status turns stored in warehouse, you can visit user center. Again, go to after sales on the corresponding order, and they will request for return when the seller, but they cannot guarantee for approval. I'm sorry for that to hear. All right, and the days would take like 17 to 15 days to process it, and it really depends on the time the seller spent in confirming the refund. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.